Since I had already ranked 10 strongest fire, water, grass, dragon, ghost, fairy, electric, and even ice type of Pokemon. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Rishabh and you are watching Everyone's Story. Consequently, as I said, I had already ranked 8 different types of non-legendary Pokemons. And today in this video, I'm going to rank 10 strongest non-legendary fighting type Pokemon. And just like previous videos, I had not included any legendary, mythical, and ultra beast Pokemon in this list. And Pokemons were ranked on the basis of their power level, base stats, fans following, and also their anime appearance. And now without wasting any time, let me jump straight to the video. Okay, number 10, Hitmon family. So we all know that Tyro evolved into 3 different Pokemon and they are Hitmonlee, Hitmonchan, and Hitmontop. Since these 3 Pokemons have different tactic of battling, but actually at the end they are of same power level. That's why in my view, the Hitmon family deserves to be at the same position. However, if any trainer wants a higher attacking Pokemon, then he can go with Hitmonlee. Or if any trainer wants a higher defensive Pokemon, then he can go with Hitmonchan. Or if any trainer wants a balanced attacking and defensive Pokemon, then he can go with Hitmontop. Whatever. Number 9, Primeape. So it is a pure fighting type Pokemon, introduced in Generation 1 as the final evolution of Monkey. Since Primeape is a mono fighting type, with somewhat having poor bulkiness. But with his fast access moveset like Counter, gives him a lot of strength as a fighting type. And when he get angry a lot, then his attacking speed could increase enormously. And even he could resist a nice amount of damage. But actually not so much in compared to some upcoming Pokemons. Now number 8, Hariyama. So it's also a pure fighting type Pokemon, introduced in Generation 3 as the final evolution of Makuhita. Since he is also known as Arm Thrust Pokemon, as he can take down several Pokemon with his one-arm strike. And there is no doubt that his true origin is Sumo. And as his incredible HP suggests, that somewhat he could devote it as a very good offensive and as well as a good defensive Pokemon also. Number 7, Gallade. So he is a psychic and fighting type Pokemon, introduced in Generation 4 as the final evolution of Ralts. Since he has an awesome attacking speed, nice special defense, and a decent kind of both defense and offense. Which means he is a very good Pokemon, who can outstage various opponents with minimum effort. And because of his psychic typing, he could be very effective on other fighting type Pokemons. However, his typing could create a bad disadvantage, especially against ghost types of Pokemon. Although number 6, Sirfetch'd. He is a pure fighting type Pokemon, introduced in this Generation 8 as the final evolution of Galarian Farfetch. So because of his high offensive, and a nice defensive stats, he become a very good Pokemon for competitive battle as well as he could be a nice Pokemon for long matches too. Plus, he also have access to some awesome moves, like Counter and Brave Bird. Which means he could outstage various Pokemon even in a hard battle. Now number 5, Machamp. He is also a pure fighting type Pokemon, introduced in Generation 1 as the final evolution of Machop. Since Machamp is all focused on physical attacking, whatever he have some great abilities, like Multiplier, Guts, and the 100% accuracy boost of No Guard. Even he have some special attacking moves, such as Dynamic Punch and Close Combat. And because of all these, he become an incredible Pokemon for competitive and also for physical battle. Number 4, Heracross. He is a bug and fighting type Pokemon, introduced in Generation 2. Since he is not known to evolve into, or from any other Pokemon. Whatever, he is an intimidating wall breaker and a great addition to any competitive team. However, he has some flaws, like its lackluster speed and bug typing. But still he is an excellent Pokemon, with the Moxie ability and strong special moves, such as Mega Horn and Close Combat, which will surely leave a mark on any opponent. Now number 3, Infinite. He is a fire and fighting type Pokemon, introduced in Generation 4 as the final evolution of Chimchar. Since he is actually a great sweeper of this list, because of its high attack, special attack, and a nice defense, made him a deadly threat. Although as both a fire and fighting typing, Infinite has access to powerful moves, such as Fire Punch, Focus Blast, and Close Combat. Which means he is a very good Pokemon in competitive, physical, and even in long battles. Number 2, Blaziken. He is also a fire and fighting type Pokemon, introduced in Generation 3 as the final evolution of Torchic. Since Blaziken is undoubtedly one of the best fighting type Pokemon. And his strength lies in its superior attack and special attack and as well as in its decent speed. That means he is an incredible Pokemon for competitive and also for long battles. And because of its fire typing, he even has access to some powerful moves like Blast Burn. Although number 1, Lucario. He is a steel and fighting type Pokemon, introduced in Generation 4 as the final evolution of Riolu. So Lucario inches out Blaziken on this list, due to the Pokemon's defensive type combination. Because as a fighting and steel type Pokemon, Lucario completely removes all of fighting types' weaknesses and even given an immunity to poison types. Since his powerful fighting moves, like Close Combat and Meteor Mash, can become more powerful because of his adaptability ability. And thus, Lucario is the strongest non-legendary fighting type Pokemon. And now that's enough for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon to get more this type of related videos in future. Also, if you guys have your own top 10 list, or if anyone have any suggestions, then be sure to comment it right down below. And please don't forget to check out my other ranking type videos, link of the playlist is in description box area. Now at last as always, you guys can also follow me on my social media handles like Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching.